Can you imagine you got a flu when you were 8 and you still had it? You'd be like, why did I go out with my hair wet? Like, it's just not a thing. So chronic disease is a result of getting an injury and not having enough of the tools you need to repair the injury. And that's why even after decades of being sick, when I give people the right tools, their disease goes away.
In just a minute, I'm really excited as I have a super special guest for you guys today. Her name is Dr. Brooke Goldner, and she overcame lupus through diet. And the reason that I'm having her on today is because I really want to give you guys answers. What would you say to people who are struggling, right, with like diabetes or high cholesterol or any of the lupus, anything that you help cure? Just like 3 to 5 quick takeaways for people watching of like, do this immediately, don't do that sort of thing.
The first thing to understand is our cells are all programmed to repair themselves. Disease reversal shouldn't be this novel idea. And I say disease reversal intentionally because as soon as you say a word like cure, people get all defensive. Western medicine says there's no cure. Fine.
Right.
If you get disease reversal like mine, where you're 15 years of like optimal, amazing health, then great, right? Call it whatever the heck you want.
Yeah.
But it is normal. You know, I always say how you don't need to pull out your sewing kit just because you like got a paper cut, right? Your body knows how to heal.
Yeah.
And I believe chronic disease is really a modern thing that we've created.
Totally.
Right? Because we're not supposed to get sick and stay sick forever. Can you imagine you got a flu when you were 8 and you still had it? You'd be like, why did I go out with my hair wet? Like, it's just not a thing. So chronic disease is a result of getting an injury and not having enough of the tools you need to repair the injury. And that's why even after decades of being sick, when I give people the right tools, their disease goes away. Yeah. And I mean, I've seen people who've been sick and in pain for decades who after just a couple weeks, their pain is gone and they can't believe it, right? So, you know, I was sick for 12 years, healthy for 15. So it's important to know that you're not defective, you're not broken. Your body's always waiting for you. And your skin's the largest organ in your body, and it's the last organ to receive nutrition and hydration. So if your skin is having a problem, I think of that as like the check engine light for your body, because you can see it. It's the only organ you can actually see. So if you're, except your eyes, right? But if you're looking in the mirror and there's stuff happening, that's a hello, danger. It doesn't mean put lotions on it, put creams on it, pretend it's not there. Nourish yourself, and then your skin should glow, right? Your skin glows, I can see it, right? So when you have that glowing, healthy skin, that means that you are doing what it takes to nourish yourself properly. And it's so important. So whatever it is that you're dealing with, remember that whatever symptoms you have are not a sign of your defectiveness. Those are check engine lights. Joint pain, liver tests going abnormal, skin going abnormal, all of those are your check engine lights. Blood sugar going up. And what medicine does is it cuts the check engine light. Look, don't worry about it, it's gone. Like, oh, your blood pressure's high, here, take this pill. Not high. Well, of course it's high, it's now suppressed, right? But if you didn't take the pill, it's still high. And the high blood pressure is a signal that you've got heart disease. Heart disease is caused by nutrition. Fix the nutrition, the heart disease goes away, the blood pressure comes down naturally. So it's really important to use medicine when needed to save lives, and I absolutely believe it. If you're in so much pain you can barely walk and you're working on your nutrition and you need something for pain, take the something for pain, right? If you, if you need help, if your organs are failing and there's a medicine that can help you in the moment, I believe that that's helpful. Yeah. But to say that that's what you should do forever without making any changes to actually get your health back, that is what chronic disease is. And right now in our country and all over the world, we have people who are living on dozens of pills, getting sicker. And it's why doctors are depressed too. I mean, we can't fault doctors because we are trained this way. So it's kind of like when people get mad about a doctor prescribing pills, it's like getting mad at an acupuncturist for putting needles in them or a chiropractor for giving you an adjustment. That's what they do, right?